guys, you gotta go hunt for the eggs. Come on. Go find the eggs. Oh, Bella found an egg. Beau, you gotta get the eggs. Look. And then you open them, and there's treats. Get the eggs. Go find the eggs. Look. Bella, what's this? Oh, good job, Bella. Good job. Beau, go get an egg. Beau, get an egg. Look, Beau. Look. Right here. Beau, look. Right here. Look. Oh, good job. Lucy. Here, Lucy. Oh, Lucy. Bella. Ah! They're finding them. They love it. That was a great idea. Okay, look. Bella. What's this one? Bella, look. Look, Bella. Oh. Oh, good job. Oh, Beau and Lucy are doing a good job. Look, guys. Oh. It's an Easter. Oh, Easter. Oh, Beau found a purple. What do you got, Beau? What do you got? What do you have? You get an Easter egg? Let me see. I'll help you. Here. Oh, good job. Last one over here, guys. Look, last one. Look.
I like treats.
They like the treats too. Bella she was pretty good at this. And Beau, he knew what he was doing.